going to be a part 2 of rebuilding Icy's Polar Peaks Fry Paradise. This is the staff room episode, and I'm going to be making staff room a heck of a lot bigger. So it's going to take up all of this amount of blocks. I'm going to replace those. Just one of these later. So first, let's get to removing all these walls. I did remove the death rooms already. But that was just so I have less to do later. Now, let's make all the walls over here. Actually, I'm gonna make them out of glass. You can just see the staff member. I feel like I like doing that where you can see the staff members. I don't know why. It's just fun, I feel like, for people that aren't staff at least. They can kind of see what's in there. And I am gonna get rid of the spawn stuff thing. Okay. So we practically opened up an entire extra room area. So this, and I can move all these teleporters to here, and like, well, technically those didn't exist because I'm remaking it only up. Okay. Teams, we can move all of this stuff over to there. And we can remove all of these. I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna change the color of this. Black. Okay. So we're gonna work on this. So I'm also going to move one point to over there. I don't need to do wiring for this. I mean, I'm gonna like still have to do wiring and stuff, obviously, but not an exponential amount, I would hope. Okay, so I am also going into edit some music, maybe, or something, because this is going to be a kind of boring video, unless you are working on it only up, and you need a video like this. And if so, and you think, and you've seen my video, and you're like, that guy looks like he knows what he's doing. Thank you. I don't know if I do. Let's get rid of that. I feel like this staff room already looks better. It takes up more space, but the space is more used. Better for a staff room. Later on, I might get rid of the glass thing. Oh god, no. Okay. We're gonna move the broadcast section to be here. Oh yeah, I also need this, which shows a thing that says "Flub the Fries." I'm probably gonna move all these teams to here, but let's move the rest of these. Kind of an intended thing, though. Just that map. Oh yeah, if you would like a guide on how to make nuke buttons or trap buttons, I got you. Yellow room. Now I have to replace that. This just gives everyone some cotton. Please say there can be multiple. Dang. Can't be more than one. And maybe multiple dressing room. That's way too big. It can't be. For the little world map. I mean, we haven't named this one, but it's like a pet place kind of park thing. Okay. Oh, that. Okay. The TPL the win room. So now when you die, you spawn here. Now if you go through and pink teleport you goes. I might remake a VIP room. Y'all want to see that? I do need the rest of these because I took some of them to the different one because we were gonna. It was gonna be a chain together map, but then we realized no, there's not gonna be two people on a map at once. Like in one of our maps at least. But that's the nuke. Let me just show you guys what all those commands I just moved I'm gonna show y'all what they all do. Okay, trap all God mode. So there's like this gray team, this God mode, and it traps you in that prison thing whenever you whenever we hit this button and you're on the team. What's that map? It's allowed in this map. I can play. Well, just resets the map if there's like something and we want to reset the map. It's there. Give you all the win room. I don't know why that doesn't work. No, because it's too much teleporters. Nuke. It teleports everyone to the recall teleporter, which is into death. And then give all cotton. So I have 4,900. Boom! Now 5 gives you like 400 per press. So. Then over here's all them teams. And where these teams first us. If you are caught wearing one of these teams, if you do get staffed, if you're caught wearing one of these teams and you're not the person, then you will be removed from staff. Bullied by the rest. I'm joking. We don't bully people. Not nice. So I'm just gonna remove you from staff until you never do that. And then you're probably gonna go try and get staffed in a different map. And you're just gonna do that. Oh yeah. My team, Beanie's team, and Icy's team can all get 50k cotton. So, I think you should subscribe with all the effort I've put into this today. Because I put a crap ton of work into this. I took away all the blocks, which was the slow part. And I'm in the process of rebuilding. Takes a while. And then I made staff room bigger, which makes it even bigger. And then you're here. I'm gonna make a keystone, but I don't have the stuff to make a keystone. So, that's why I'm here. So, this video and the part 1 are reasons why you should subscribe. As I'm recording this, we are 2 subscribers away from 120. 120 is a lot. And y'all are pretty cool. Everyone that watches my videos. So I personally think that y'all can do it. And we can do it. You can help. And this exists. It doesn't work right now because the map isn't done. But when the map is done, we will hold a little event, tournament-ish thing. And whoever does the fastest within 5 days, we're gonna give y'all like a week. And whoever had the top 3 times, there's going to be prizes. Like, I don't know. Number 1 gets like stacked for like 3 days. 2 gets it for a day, and then 3 gets them like, I don't know. Those are just random ish examples, but you know, they could be the real ones, so you never know. Maybe you want to come check this map out. It's not done, but there is a fantasy map over there to the left of Rock Paradise. There's a pretty cool sandbox, and then there's another map. It's over into the. It doesn't have a title just yet, but it's right here. This is Rock Paradise. This is the only up. It's not done, but it is open for you guys to play. So if you want to like practice as it's being built, so you can like get that staff, can do that. And we also will be doing something. Me and Icy, we're going to call it Pillow Justice. Where the pillows are moderators, or staff, moderators, and they kick naughties like this. I can do it to myself, but that was an example. But we're gonna call it pillow justice, and we're gonna do it in here if we can get naughty people. If any naughty people join, and we get like, and this map gets big, which I don't think it will, but you know, whatever. If this gets to 200 by the end of this week, I will do something. I don't know what I'll do, but I'll do something that I don't usually do. So if that right there, oh crap, you only can't even see it. If that hits 200 by the end of the week, I'll get my community something, like my community as a whole. So yeah, subscribe right now, please. We're 2 subs away from. Yeah, we're 2 subs away from 120. Sorry, I'm being a little lazy right now.